took a walk last night at the Harbour wall at Gordons Bay, and I really wasn't prepared for this. It was quite unexpected. The surf is outstanding. I mean, this time of year, it's Christmas, 23rd of December. It's really unusual to see this kind of swell. Okay, so lessons learned. I'm going off to go and get my GoPro and my gimbal, and we'll take some better pictures for next time. Enjoy the pictures and come and have a visit. Look at Gordons Bay for yourself. It's amazing. And that was Gordons Bay, Bikini Beach last night at sunset.
Got some fish. Oh. Oh, sardines. They're not ready for it. Oh, surfers in the water.
This kind of surf in summer, in December, is most unseasonal and quite unusual to see the point break actually working at this time of year.